Once upon a time, in a magical forest lived a little bird named Raven. Raven was unlike any other bird in the forest. He had shiny black feathers that gleamed in the sun, and eyes that sparkled like the stars at night. Raven was a kind and gentle bird, always ready to help his friends. One day, a little sparrow named Sally found herself lost in the forest. Frightened and cold, she started to cry. Hearing Sally's distress, Raven flew towards her. "Don't be afraid, Sally," he said. "I will help you find your way home." Together, they walked through the forest, Raven leading the way. He knew every nook and cranny, every tree and bush. They climbed hills, crossed streams, and finally, they saw Sally's home in the distance. Sally was overjoyed and thanked Raven for his help. "I couldn't have done it without you," she said. Raven just smiled and flew off, back to his own home. The next day, Sally found Raven sitting on a branch, looking a bit sad. "What's wrong, Raven?" she asked. "I am feeling lonely," Raven admitted. "I don't have a friend like you, someone who understands me." Sally looked at Raven, her heart filled with compassion. "Raven, I may not have black feathers and I may not sparkle like you, but I can be your friend. And I think that's the most beautiful thing in the world." From that day forward, Raven and Sally became the best of friends. They would spend their days exploring the forest, telling stories, and sharing laughter. And every night, as they both got ready to sleep, Raven would sing a lullaby to Sally, his voice filling the forest with music. And so, they lived happily, reminding everyone in the forest that true friendship knows no bounds, not even the color of feathers or the sparkle of eyes.